Hello class and welcome to the first week of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be getting used to navigating through the course and you'll be doing some coursework. My advice is to follow the calendar tab, which is on the left on the navigation bar, to see what's due each day. Please click on the link for each day and you'll be able to get an idea of what's due. Then you would want to also check in with the module that we're working on for the week. For this week, we will be working on the tech module or technology. You'll be learning a lot about online bullying, sexism, and treatment of women in cyberspace. So this week we're dealing with technology, and even before that you had the Lumen annotation practice to work on. The Lumen annotation practice is instrumental in helping you to really support your learning and for writing in English. The tab is on the left on the navigation bar for Lumen resources. And you will simply click on it and search for the topic, which is annotation. After you've read through the information, you will look at the articles that you'll be reading for this module, and you'll be annotating those articles. You won't be annotating the information in Lumen, but you'll be annotating the articles. Let's go to that. For each of the tech modules, you will see a folder and it'll say Tech Learning Resource Week 1. For Week 1, you should be learning about Introduction to Writing, Reading to Write, and then you have these articles, Why Women Aren't Welcome on the Internet, and so forth. If you click on the actual folder, if you click in it, the actual links are found in the folder, as well as the Lumen annotation information. Okay, so here are the articles. You'll click on the articles and you'll read them, you'll annotate them, and complete the exercises. You will complete the exercises. Most of the exercises will be completed on the discussion board. So here's the first one for the Lumen annotation practice where you're annotating, and here's the link for the chart. And then when you actually work on the Tech Week 1 discussion board post, you will be scrolling down to the forum that says Tech Week 1 discussion board post, and it asks you, after reading the article Why Women Aren't Welcome on the Internet and the Unsafety Net, respond to the following questions in 2 to 3 paragraphs, so no bullet points please, and answer the following questions. And there suggests that the online harassment of women could be seen as a cause for celebration. What do you think that means? And so forth and so on with the other questions. And you'll simply post it on the discussion board. So to sum up, to navigate through the course, I would say look at the calendar each day, look at the learning module that we're working out of each day. You will find the resources there, the readings, and the directions for what to do. And then also you'll be posting on the discussion board. When you go to actually type your essay and when you finalize your essay, you will be uploading that to the assignments forum. But for now, we're working out of the discussion board. I hope this was helpful.